Hey there, welcome to Tech Tips or Sales Pitch. I'm Sean Doyle of Finder Components, and today I would like to show you Finder's brand new 7L series of panel lights. These lights are available in two voltages, 24 volts AC/DC and 110 to 240 volts AC/DC. They are magnetic mount, but we also provide you with these metal mounting clips for your fiberglass or polycarbonate enclosures that you can install. And as you can see, they can hold the light pretty well. You're not going to lose the light during shipping. The connection for this version, being a single piece, is a push-in connection. We do have versions that are series wireable up to 7 pieces. We have the option to have a push button or a occupancy sensor, and they're available in 600 lumens and 1200 lumens as well. The one thing you might notice about the design is it makes it nice and easy to wrap your hand around it, so maybe you would like to move it around in your enclosure, go from the top or to the side of the door if you have enough play in the cable here. If you'd like to see a live demo, or if you have some questions or would like to get some pricing, give us a call at 1-800-265-6263 or shoot us an email at sales.ca at findernet.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.